My name is Olga Eliseeva, and I presented on how we built an ICME framework for recovering of carbon to the bond line in ERW welds. When you make an ERW weld, you're going to get a softening effect because you're going to lightweight a bit of the material there, and you're going to get carbon that goes back into the pipe and away from that bond line. This is a problem, so we figured out how we could not only predict the temperatures along the pipe, but how the temperatures would affect our microstructure in the pipe. And then we combined that all and tested it and basically developed a model that we know exactly how much heat and how much time we need to put in order to effectively fix the issue of the decarbonized band. This entire project revolved around a customer who wanted to know how much they needed to invest in furnaces for the heat treatment of the pipes post-welding in order to fix this problem. So before they invest $1 million to $3 million into buying these furnaces, we could actually see how many they needed, how long it needed to be heat treated for, what temperatures do we need to heat treat, and so that we could tell them that before they started huge investments of both capital and floor space. We have a number of presentations coming up around this framework and around this concept as a whole, and really ICME, we have an entire publication series online right now that kind of deals with different aspects and how they can relate to materials and joining processes in general.